the ONE HP technology, in my hands it feels a lot more powerful. Probably twice as much power than any other battery-powered nailers that I've used.
Having that airstrike technology on the nailer is amazing. It's a compressor on the nailer. Pick it up out of your truck, do what you need to do, and then put it right back when you're finished. It's really nice not having to carry around a hose and a compressor and turn that thing on every single time. Having the power of that ONE HP technology is very nice to have. Having a 20 to 30 hour runtime on this nailer has been amazing. Not having to worry about the nailer dying on me in the middle of a project or having to charge it.
The runtime that I've noticed, I can literally go as long as I want to. I was actually really shocked at how long these batteries would last and how efficient the batteries would last. Not having to worry about hoses and stuff, just being able to freely move out highlights how fast I can turn out a project now. So the runtime it's incredible. Using the 18 gauge nailer in hard to reach places has made life super easy, especially with the AccuDrive nose and being able to have the versatility of the nail depth drive. My stress has been absolutely mitigated being able to use this tool.
The contact actuation mode makes life so much easier, not having to worry about pulling the trigger every time. Having the drive and pressure adjustment dials on the nailer has saved me so much time. Every time I go to set that nail, size or materials, it sets it.
Sanders to routers to nailers to oscillating tools. I'm not having to worry about different battery types and platforms. I can just literally take it out, click it in another tool, and just keep on going. The performance that the batteries give the tool allowed me to become a better woodworker from top to bottom.